Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Today we want to talk about one of cultural tradition in Bandung Barat Regency. One of the rituals of the Gua Pawon community is known as the Puhun Pusaka Karatuan Rite. This rite is a symbolic ceremony of the handover of the queen's heirloom from the traditional holder to a woman who has mastered certain moment of pencaksilat. The surrender was also at the same time the coronation of a queen to become the leader of her group. This rite is held at Gua Pawon because history say that in the past, Pini and pencaksilat warriors always made pilgrimage to sacred shrine in the Gua Pawon area, Mount Masigit and Mount Manik in the Cipatat district, Bandung Barat Regency. The meaning of Karatuan is closely related to the names of the queen who are sacred in this region, namely, first, Nyimas Ratu Sobrah Kacana, second, Nyimas Ratu Karambong Mayang, third, Nyimas Ratu Cucuk Konde, fourth, Nyimas Ratu Lereng Sintung, and the last is Nyimas Ratu Kabaya Logra Buana. The form of heirlooms that are handed over in the ceremony are in the form of sobrah, karembong, cucuk konde, samping, and kebaya. In the past, the four heirlooms were a woman's weapon to defend herself. Some preparation ahead of the ceremony. The traditional leader, Abah Elan Sumarna, gathered the community participating in the ceremony at the gate yard of Gua Pawon. Exactly at 9 p.m., the group was directed to gather to the Gua Pawon Cultural Heritage Site. After arriving at the location of the Cultural Heritage Site, the community prepares offering white rice, jambal roti, sweet coffee, bitter coffee, water, tea water, rujaken, coconut, brown sugar, fruits, and the other, as well as heirlooms. This is a sign of the start of the ritual. The traditional leader begins the ceremony with a prayer of supplication to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and a prayer to the ancestral spirit as a gift.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Puhun Pusaka Karatuan, tradisi budaya karuhun Gua Pawon. Ritual ieu sifat khusus teu sagawaya. Ari eusina upacara nyaeta nyerahkeun pusaka ratu anu mangrupi sobrah, cucuk konde, karembong, samping, sareng kabaya. Eta sadayana kangge ngahormat istri Sunda nu dikaderkeun atawa dijenengkeun jadi pamimpin. Nu saeutikna kudu bisa mencak atawa silat. Dina eta pusaka aya sobrah, cucuk konde, sareng karembong. Sabenerna senjata istri zaman baheula. Tah di Gua Pawon teh aya karuhun nu jumlahna 2 nami-nami ratu anu disebat susunan ibu. 41 eyang-eyang anu disebat susunan rama. Rupina mung sakitu ti simkuring wasta Elan Sumarna, pamangku adat Puhun Pusaka Karatuan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The goal is that during the ceremony it is given smoothness, blessing, and safety both physically and mentally. After the opening prayers was over, the event continued with the handover of heirlooms, sobrah, karembong, cucuk konde, samping, and kebaya to a chosen woman who will be crowned queen. As a sign of the inauguration of the use of clothing and heirlooms, a test of the ability to use heirlooms was carried out by testing the ability of the pencaksilat, together with several other warriors. Finally, the ceremony was closed with a prayer by the customary stakeholders and the burial of the offering as a symbol that all creators would return to their land and nature. This is the video of the Puhun Pusaka Karatuan rite. Hopefully, it can add insight into one of the cultural traditions that exists in Bandung Barat Regency. Thank you for your attention and see you. Sampurasun.